Hello friends, today we have the syllogism topic. So in syllogism, we have a statement and conclusion. Then first one statement. What is the statement? Statements means whatever he given in the question, that is the statement. Next conclusion. What is the conclusion? Conclusion means final judgment. Final judgment. When will you give the judgment? When you are 100% sure on that, then only you can conclude it's true. Even if 1% is not sure on that, keep quiet. When will you give the final judgment? Is 100% sure on that, then only you can say that it's true. Even 50% or 1% is not sure on that, then keep quiet. Then keep quiet. Okay. Taking universal facts into consideration, you will get false always. Okay. Universal facts into consideration, then you get always, then you will get the always false. Don't take the universal facts into consideration. Okay. There is a process in syllogism to conclusions. To conclude the answers, there is a process in syllogism. What is the process? First one is statement. First one is statement. Then first one is statement. Then first one is statement. Whatever given in the question, that is a statement. And in that statement, you can draw the diagrams. Follows the statement. Okay. Follows the statement. Whatever given in the statements in the question, then that statement follow and draw the diagram. Okay. Next, after drawing the diagram, then come to the conclusions. Right? If in case you have to conclude that it is true, then go to the options, true or false. When you have to conclude that it is true or false, then go to the options, right? Once you have to draw the diagram, don't go back to the statement, because after drawing the diagram, you can go with the conclusion only, not statement, right? But you have to draw the diagrams on statements, not conclusions, right? You have to draw the diagrams on statements, okay, not conclusions, right? Okay, here is the 4 steps. First one is statement, and next one is diagram, next one is conclusion, and next one is options, right? Here is a diagrams for statements. We can draw the diagrams for statements. Here is the 4 statements. In syllogism, there is a 4 diagrams to understanding the process, right? So easy to understand the concept. Please try to understand the concept. Here is all A's are B's. All A's are B's. All A's are B's means this one is A and this one is B, right? This one is B and this one is A. All A's are B's means A is inside B. All A's are B's means A is inside B. So the diagram is like this, and the possibility of diagram also this. Possibility of diagram also this. A like this. Possibility of diagram A like this, and This one is B. This one is B. And there is a possibility. This is A and B. There is a possibility of diagram, right? I don't know A is how much small or big. So I can follow this diagram only. There is many possibilities is there. Yes. Even this also be, this can be possible, right? Here is A and this one is B. And there is another possibility of all A's are B's, like this, right? There is a possibilities of diagrams, but these are all are in mind. We can use this only for our understanding, right? There is many possibilities. So we can understanding the syllogism concept. We can go through the simple diagrams, right? Next, second one. Some A's are B's. Some A's are B's. Some A's are B's means there is an intersection between the A and B. A and intersection between the A and B, right? This one is A, this one is A, and this one is B, right? And there is a many possibilities of diagrams, like A is small and B is like this. There is an intersection between the A and B is very small or big, whatever it is. Whatever it is, this one is A and this one is B, right? And this can be also possible. This can be also possible. This is a A and this is a B, right? There are many possibilities. Okay. So sum means there is an intersection between the A and B. Intersection between the A and B, right? Next, third one. Some A's are not B. Some A's are not B. Here is very important this statement. Please pay attention. Some A's are not B's. Some A's are not B's. This statement follows these diagrams. This one A and this one is B. There is an intersection between the A and B because some A's are not B's. So some A's are not B's. This statement follows this diagram. If the rules and applications of some A's or B's, then all rules are applicable for some A's or not B's, right? Next, fourth one. No A is B. No A is B means there is a no connection between the A and B. There is a no connection between the A and B, right? There are many possibilities. A is away from this distance and B is this distance. And there are many possibilities. So no A is B means there is a no connection between the A and B. There is a no intersection between the A and B. There is a no connection A and B. So there is a no connection of A and B. So the diagrams like this. Yes. Next one. Please keep it in mind these four statements and these four diagrams. One more example. We can see the one more example to understanding the concept. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Listen carefully. What is the statement? All A's are B's. All A's are B's. All A's are B's. All A's are B's. This one is A. All A's are B's. Okay. This one is B. And second statement. What is the second statement? All B's are C's. All B's are C's. So this is the diagram. All B's are C's. Okay. Whatever given in the statement, all A's are B's. All A's are B's and all B's are C's. This is the diagram for that statements. There is another possibilities to draw the diagram, but we can choose this one. Okay, right? What is the conclusions? After draw the diagram, we can go the conclusions, right? We can go the conclusions and conclude that it is true or false. Then only we go to the options, right? Conclusions. All A's are C's. All A's are C's. Please pay attention. Observe this conclusion. All A's are C's. Whenever we have this type of circles, whenever we have these type of circles, from inner circle to outer circle, inner circle to outer circle, all is true. From inner circle to outer circle, all is true, right? So this statement, this conclusion is 100% right, right? Next, second conclusion. All C's are A's. All C's are A's. All C's are A's. Yes, all C's are A's. All C's are A's. From outer circle to inner circle, we can conclude that all is always false. All is always false. All is always false, right? Whenever, so this second conclusion is also false, right? Next, third one. Some C's are A's. Some C's are A's. Some C's are A's. To the outer circle to inner circle, outer circle to inner circle, sum is a true. Sum is a true. Sum is a true. All is false, then sum is a true, right? When you go outer circle to the inner circle, all is false, but sum is true, right? So this third conclusion is right. Next one. Next one. What is some A's or C's? Some A's or C's. Some A's or C's. Some A's or C's. Here, A's or C's means inner circle to outer circle. So, inner circle to outer circle, all is always true and some also always true, right? Whenever you go to the inner circle to outer circle, all is true and some is also true. So, this statement is, this conclusion is always right. So, what you have to observe in this question, when you go to inner circle to outer circle, inner circle to outer circle, what is that? All and some is true. All and some is true. And some is true, right? All and some is true. When you go to the outer circle to inner circle, when you go outer circle to inner circle, inner circle, all is always false, all is always false, and some is always true, right? Whenever you go through the inner circle to outer circle, all is always right and some is always right. Whenever you go outer circle to inner circle, all is always false, some is always true, right? This is a concept. Okay. The next one. The next one. What is the next statement? All A's are B's. Some B's are C's. All A's are B's. All A's are B's means diagram. All this one is A and this one is B. Right? This one is B. And some B's are C's. Some B's are means some B's are C's. There is an intersection between the B and C. The diagram like this. Okay. All A's are B's means this is the diagram. And some B's are C's means this is the diagram. Okay, right? Some means there is an intersection between the B and C. You don't given the any relation between the A and C. But there is a relation between the A and B means all A's are B's. And there is a relation between the B and C means some B's are C's. Okay, but but they did not given the information between the A and C. Okay, there is a conclusion. Here conclusions. First one, some C are B's, some C's are B's. Yes, absolutely right. Why? Because there is an intersection between the B and A, B and C. So B and C, there is an intersection between the B and C. So some C's are B's. It is the right statement, right? All B's are A's. All B's are A's. In the previous example, we can say that whenever you go to the outer circle to inner circle, all is always false, right? So this one is false. All is always false. Whenever you go to outer circle to inner circle, all is always false, but some is true, right? Next one. Some B's are A's. Third one. Some B's are A's. Some B's are A's. In what is that? Whenever you go to the outer circle to inner circle, all is always false, but some is true. So this statement is true, right? Next, fourth one. No A is C. No A is C. In the given statement, there is no relation between the A and C. So there is a possibility is there. There is a possibility because the intersection between the B and A like this also, it is a possibility. So this also possibility. So there is a possibility, but I'm not 100% sure. So 100% sure on that, then only you can say that it is true. Until keep quiet. If 1% is not sure, keep quiet. So in this statement, there is no connection between the A and C. So keep quiet. Cannot say true, cannot say false, right? And the fifth one, some A's are C's. There is a no connection between the A and C. So you cannot say some A's are C's, but you can be say some A's are C's because there is a possibility, right? There is a possibility. Some A's are C's, there is a possibility is there. So there is a possibility, but I am not 100% sure on that. So this one is this may true also, and this may false also, right? Because there is a no connection between the A and C. So some A's are not, some A's or C's. This conclusion is there is a possibility if S, there is a possibility S and no. I'm not 100% sure on that. So this statement is also 100% not sure. So keep quiet. There is a 4 and 5 conclusions are there is a independent statements, independent conclusions. In our next video, we can discuss that. Okay. Do subscribe my channel. Please like and comment, share. Thank you.